Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am explaining the Christmas nail art designs. In number 1, sparkly French tip. Manicurist Cassandra Jones add a Christmas twist to a French manicure with rose gold and chic leafy scents. Number 2, metallic tips. It sparks on your thing. Silver metallic adds an edgy twist on your holiday manicure. Number 3, asymmetrical French. This color asymmetrical French mani reminds us of those rainbow candy cans that add a beautiful touch of color to your Christmas tree. Number 4, golden essence. Make your minimalist manicure more festive with a subtle golden accent. Number 5, candy can. Candy draw a inspiration from a Christmas favorite candy cans. This red and white abstract manicure is a subtle nod to the holidays. Number 6, fairy dust. This irresistant sparkling manicure is as magical as this time of year. Number 7, studded French tips. Tom Beckick's holiday collaboration with Impress Nails make achieving a festive manicure easy and fast. This set is one of our favorite because it adds a trendy twist to a classical cycle. And number 8, Christmas greenery. Spice up a neutral manicure with on theme nail stickers. Number 9, half moon sparkles. One of the biggest nail trends of the year are half moon manicures. To make it more seasonally festive, add sparkle on the lower part of your nail. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this.